Welcome to CodeCop Learning Sessions. In this episode, we'll talk about intercepting 1000 methods. We have a console application that already has the CodeCop library installed. And today, we are going to show you how quickly you can intercept a class that has 1000 methods. And the reason for this is because we keep getting asked all the time, what is the performance penalty of intercepting methods at runtime? Let's add a new interceptor that we'll call even or odd interceptor. And this code is the code that will run when all the 1000 methods are captured. It's a simple interceptor that will just output to the console if the argument passed to the function is an even number or an odd number. And it also will increment the counter for us to know how many methods are being called. Let's now add a JSON file. As you know, CodeCop works with JSON to place and configure its interceptors. We have to call it copconfig.json, and it is on this file that we place all the methods and the types we want to intercept. If we had to place 1000 methods on a JSON file, we would probably faint before doing that. Fortunately, CodeCop has an online tool that you can use to quickly create this file. You start by selecting your app assembly. In our case, it would be on the bin file. And one thing that you'll notice is that CodeCop will reverse engineer your assembly very quickly, and it will show us our target class. It's the 1000 methods. We will now add our interceptor. If you remember, we call this file even or odd interceptor. This is case sensitive here. And we'll say that we want it to be a global interceptor that will be applied to all intercepted methods transversal to all types. As you saw, we have 1001 methods, so we have to take the constructor out. So we'll just filter for it and unselect it. You see that we have 1001 methods, but we only have intercepted 1000. And now the JSON is already created for us, we just have to copy it or download it. We will now paste the JSON and select Copy if Newer on File Properties. As you can see, we now have all our methods on the JSON. And if you scroll down, we'll see the Global Interceptors property, where we have our even or odd interceptor. When we are intercepting more than 25 methods, we need a license key. The free version is limited to 25. You can head up to our site at getcodecop.com and acquire a license there. We will now bootstrap CodeCop, and to do so we just need one simple line, that's the cop intercept. Let's paste the calls to the methods after the bootstrap, and then we will add some stopwatch just to measure how much it took to intercept 1000 methods. We will start the stopwatch before calling the intercept method and afterwards. And in the end, we'll output the interception time to the console. Let's now run the app and see how much did it took to CodeCop to intercept 1000 methods. 6.7 seconds.